Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make Gmail addresses without a phone number completely for free. So what you need to do is go to an SMS verification site. This one's called Quacker. And I'm putting in what phone number that I want the country from. But basically it works as SMS verification. You click on a phone number, you put this phone number into the site that you want to register for. And then the SMS will come up on this page and everyone can see it. However, for Gmail and Google and YouTube and these kind of websites, it's very hard to get a phone number that actually does work. Although you can find it, I'm putting about 10 different links to completely free websites into the description of this video. And you can try all 10 of them. Eventually you might find one that works. If not, there is a paid version of this kind of website. You pay about 40 cents per SMS verification, but you only need to verify once, and that's it. You can make unlimited amount of YouTube or Gmail accounts without actually having a phone number. You just need to go through these kind of services. And if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.